If you've spent weeks or even months comparing the Leica M11, Leica Q3, and Leica SL3, constantly reading reviews and watching endless comparison videos, you're definitely not alone. Many photographers eventually fall into this exact cycle. At first it feels productive, like you're doing proper research and making a careful decision. But slowly something changes. The excitement that originally pushed you toward photography begins to fade behind endless specifications, opinions, and technical debates. Instead of going out to shoot, you keep searching for one more video, one more article, hoping that the perfect answer will suddenly appear. Meanwhile, the camera you already have sits unused, and the moments you wanted to capture quietly pass by. This situation is strangely ironic, because the philosophy behind Leica cameras was never about endless comparison or chasing technical perfection. From the very beginning, Leica was built around a simple idea: photography should feel natural and direct. Early Leica cameras were small, portable, and uncomplicated tools designed to disappear in the photographer's hands. They allowed photographers to move freely through the world, capturing genuine moments without being slowed down by complicated equipment. The photographers who built Leica's legendary reputation weren't obsessing over specifications or sensor upgrades. Instead, they focused on mastering a single camera so completely that it became an extension of their vision. Over time, modern camera culture gradually changed that relationship. With constant product launches and online reviews, it became easy to believe that the next camera might finally unlock your full creative potential. Every new model promises better autofocus, more megapixels, or improved video capabilities. While those advancements are impressive, they also create a subtle pressure to keep upgrading. Instead of simplifying photography, the gear begins to feel like an endless puzzle where the perfect combination always seems just out of reach. This is exactly where the Leica Q3 stand apart. At first glance, it may appear to be the most limiting camera in Leica's lineup simply because it uses a fixed lens. Many photographers hear the word fixed and immediately assume that it restricts creativity. After all, the modern expectation is that creative freedom comes from having multiple lenses and constantly changing perspectives through zoom or focal length choices. But the Q3 quietly challenges that assumption in a powerful way. Inside the camera is a remarkable 60-megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers extraordinary levels of detail. Leica's triple-resolution technology allows you to shoot at 60, 36, or 18 megapixels, depending on your needs. At the highest resolution, the files contain so much detail that cropping becomes an extremely practical tool. Instead of changing lenses, you can simply compose slightly wider and refine the frame afterward, without losing image quality. In practice, this turns one focal length into several creative possibilities while keeping the shooting experience beautifully simple. The lens paired with that sensor is a 28mm f/1.7 Sumlux ASBH with optical image stabilization, and it plays a huge role in defining the camera's character. A 28mm field of view sits in a fascinating middle ground. It's wide enough to capture the surrounding environment and tell a broader story, yet it still allows you to move close to your subject and create emotional impact. The fast f/1.7 aperture adds another dimension, giving you the ability to shoot confidently in low light while still producing soft background separation when the scene calls for it. This combination of lens and sensor changes how photographers approach composition. Instead of thinking about which lens to attach next, you begin thinking about where to position yourself. Instead of adjusting your gear, you adjust your perspective. Over time, this encourages a more instinctive and fluid way of seeing. Photographers who commit to shooting with the Q3 for several months often describe a similar experience. At the beginning, they feel slightly restricted by the fixed lens, but after a few weeks, that feeling disappears. The 28mm perspective becomes familiar, then comfortable, and eventually second nature. When that shift happens, something interesting begins to develop. Your awareness of composition improves dramatically because you already understand how scenes will appear through the lens. You recognize potential photographs faster and react more naturally to fleeting moments. Eventually, the camera itself begins to fade into the background. It stops feeling like a complex device and instead becomes a simple tool that translates what you see directly into an image. From a technical standpoint, the Q3 is also extremely capable. Its hybrid autofocus system combines phase detection and contrast detection, allowing it to track subjects with impressive accuracy. It can recognize and follow eyes, faces, bodies, and even animals, making it suitable for a wide range of photographic situations. The camera can shoot bursts of up to 15 frames per second, providing enough speed for action, candid moments, or spontaneous movement. The viewing experience is equally refined. A bright 5.76 million OLED electronic viewfinder offers a detailed and immersive look at the scene, while the tilting touchscreen allows you to compose comfortably from different angles. These features provide modern convenience without overwhelming the simplicity of the camera's design. Video creators will also find the Q3 surprisingly capable. The camera supports 8K recording at 30 frames per second as well as 4K recording at 60 frames per second in 10-bit color, delivering impressive image quality for filmmakers and content creators. For slow motion work, full HD recording reaches up to 120 frames per second using ProRes HQ, producing smooth cinematic footage when needed. Despite all these powerful features, the most impressive quality of the Q3 is how simple it feels to use. It doesn't require a bag full of lenses or a complicated setup. Everything you need is already built into a single compact body. There's no need to constantly switch lenses or reorganize gear. You simply pick up the camera, turn it on, and begin shooting. That simplicity becomes incredibly valuable in real-world photography. On the street, the camera remains discreet and responsive, allowing you to capture genuine moments without attracting attention. The fast Summilux lens gathers plenty of light, while the stabilization system keeps images sharp even in challenging lighting conditions. Because the autofocus works so reliably, you can focus entirely on observing the scene rather than worrying about technical adjustments. Travel photography benefits even more from this streamlined approach. Carrying one camera instead of an entire system changes the experience of exploring new places. You move faster, react more naturally, and stay mentally present in the environment. Instead of thinking about equipment, you begin noticing subtle details, how light falls across the street, how people interact, how movement shapes a moment. That freedom often leads to more meaningful photographs because your attention stays on the story rather than the gear. Portrait photography also gains a unique character when shot with a 28mm lens. By working closer to the subject, you capture both the person and their surroundings, creating images that feel authentic and connected to the environment. The wide aperture still allows you to control depth of field and guide the viewer's attention exactly where it belongs. Of course, Leica's other cameras remain exceptional in their own ways. The Leica M11 delivers a legendary rangefinder experience built around manual focus and an optical viewfinder. For photographers who enjoy the slow, deliberate rhythm of traditional photography, that experience is deeply rewarding and uniquely personal. Meanwhile, the Leica SL3 offers professional-level versatility. With interchangeable lenses, powerful video features, and rapid shooting performance, it's designed for creators who require a full production system capable of handling demanding commercial work. But for photographers whose primary passion lies in still images and personal storytelling, the Q3 often feels like the perfect balance. It removes unnecessary complexity while still delivering outstanding image quality and modern performance. Instead of expanding creative options through more gear, it expands them through clarity and focus. Ultimately, that may be the most important lesson the Q3 offers. Leica has never truly been about owning the most advanced technology or building the largest camera kit. The real philosophy has always been about forming a deep connection with one camera until it becomes second nature. The Q3 captures that philosophy beautifully. One camera, one remarkable lens, and the freedom to concentrate entirely on seeing the world. Once you step away from the endless comparison and simply start shooting again, something remarkable happens. The hesitation disappears, the camera fades into the background, and photography becomes enjoyable again. And for many photographers, that moment brings a surprising realization. They never needed an endless collection of gear in the first place. What they needed was a camera that encouraged them to focus on what truly matters, the image in front of them.